Triple M Tech. Uh, so today we have the Python programming day 4, and we are going to cover the dictionary concepts. Okay. So what is actually dictionary? Dictionary is nothing but a the key value pair. Okay, so we are going to cover the different concepts related to Python dictionary. Okay, so we will cover up like how to define a dictionary, then access the dictionary values, keys, change the dictionary items, add a dictionary items or remove the dictionary items, loop over a dictionary and copy dictionary, and then the final point 5 is the nested dictionary, dictionary under dictionary. So these are the various concepts. Uh, those we are gonna cover today, and you all know that these are the actually essentials Python programming concept. Those we have to use in our day-to-day programming, and I will try to give you an idea about how you can use these concepts of dictionary in your day-to-day Python programming. Okay, so let me just start. For this, let me just open the Python editor. So this is my PyCharm editor, and we have a file day 4 for this. Okay, now I'm just gonna define a dictionary. Okay, so let's suppose we have an empty dictionary. Okay, so there are the various methods. Okay, so we can define if dictionary like this if we are there are no values or key value pairs. We have the empty dictionary, and we can assign the any values. Okay, for the dictionary. Okay, like this we can do like this is the value pair concept. So the key and key is 0, so that should be always a a string. So let me just copy it. Give you a quick idea of defining a dictionary. Okay, so it is a dictionary are uh, so guys, dictionary can have different kind of values. Okay, it can have the string, any values. Okay, dictionary can have the dictionary is also as an value, but its keys will always be a string. Okay, so we have to keep this in mind. Like, okay, so it is dictionary is always ordered. It can be accessed by its keys, so they are ordered. Their keys cannot be duplicate at any cost. Okay, so it is order changeable, and you know cannot have the duplicate values, duplicate keys. Okay, these are the basic concept about the dictionary. Okay, so we have added the values to this empty dictionary, and now we are going to print it. Okay, so you can have the idea. Okay, so this is just the way how can add the values to simple empty dictionary. Okay, let me just run this program. So see, so at 0 position we have the roughly at 1 for key value key 1 we have the value 1, and for key 2 we have the value Tom. Okay, so this is the one way of defining the dictionary. If you want to your dictionary uh, with the key value pair, you can do this. Simply give me a moment. Okay, find the key value pairs. You can define your dictionary and with the key values. Okay, so defining a dictionary. Earlier was the empty, defining an empty string and adding the value at the and in the here I'm just giving you an idea like during the define. During defining a dictionary, you can add the key value pair as well. Okay, so it's not uh, an empty dictionary, but it has the key value pairs. Okay, so I'm just going to print this another dictionary. See, so this is the way how can you define your dictionary. Okay, if you want to add the values, okay, at runtime to your dictionary, empty dictionary, you can do this like this, or uh, change. Okay, uh, okay, dictionary. Yeah, you know, I since it is a string, always key will be a string. Okay, print, you know. So to your empty dictionary, I'm adding the values through the code through the loop. Okay. See, so this is the another way. I mean, it is just depends on your requirement, how you are going to add the values to your dictionary, whether you want to hard coded any value to your dictionary, or you want to use it in the program, or there in your loop. So there are the multiple ways. It depends on you. I'm just giving you an idea how to define, how to add the values to your dictionaries. Okay, key values to your dictionaries. Now accessing a dictionary value. Okay, so it is quite simple. Like if you want to print a dictionary values, you can simply access it by its key. So let's suppose you want to access the uh, value for key 2. Okay, so it will come as it will come tom, it will print the tom. See, so it is working. So this is the way, I mean, how can you access the dictionary items. So you can loop over also. Okay, I will give you I will give you a complete idea about the looping. Okay, for point number 4, let me just change the value of the dictionary. So you can change the value of the dictionary like this. Was coming as tom. Let me change to Mike, so Mike will print it. Or there is another way. Give me a moment. I think dictionary dot update. Okay, so for key 2, see, it is also working. Okay, so this is the another way of changing the values. Okay, now so till point number 2 we have covered so far. Add items and remove items. Okay, so update we have covered. Okay, if you want to add the new values. Okay, so this is like updating any new values. Okay, so we have the let me for index 3. Okay, for key we're gonna for key 3, if we gonna add a new value. Okay, So you can see, let me just print the whole dictionary. Yeah, see. So you can see like this update is basically adding the value as well as for changing the values of the dictionary. So this method is really this is an inbuilt method which is really very helpful in case you want to add any new value or update the existing value of the dictionary. Okay, so this update method we have covered. And now the pop. So if you want to remove the items, okay, these are the four methods we have. you know Pop is like if you want to delete any value, so we can use its corresponding key. We have to pass the key and we can remove that value. Pop item will remove the value of the dictionary from the AND. Okay, and del is for deleting any value or delete the whole dictionary. Clear is for just empty the dictionary. If you want to empty all the, if you want to clear all the values of the dictionary and want to so it will change to an empty dictionary. So this is the clear concept of the concept of clear method. Okay, so let me just cover one by one all of them. So if you want to pop anything, let me just add and pop dictionary index 3. So you can see we are adding here load value load and we are gonna remove it. Okay, so dictionary will not contain this value. See, lol is not added. So if you want to remove the item from the and you can simply do this lol you can. So lol will be deleted by this method also. Okay, because this pop item method remove the dictionary item from the AND. Now deleting the dictionary. Okay, so let me first delete the item by using the this del method. Okay, del dictionary, you can pass the index. So 3. Okay, give me a moment. 3 I'm deleting. Okay, so its corresponding value, yeah, see, it is working. You want to delete the entire dictionary, so it's going simply this way. Okay, I think okay, sorry, it has already been deleted. Okay, that's why it's saying like dictionary is deleted, because if when we are when this statement is executed print tick, okay, it's throwing the error because the dictionary is not defined. Okay, so it means dictionary is already deleted. So you can see like till this statement code will work fine. After that, when we are gonna print this dictionary, it will throw an error. Okay, so let me just run it in debug mode, so we will get the idea like uh, so see, till this portion the code is working fine, there is no error, but when we are going to print, so it means this dictionary has been deleted. Okay, so this is not existing. Okay, so when statement, it's gonna throw an error. Okay, so this is the way how can we delete a dictionary. So it will delete the content of the dictionary as well as the dictionary itself. Okay, so whole structure will be deleted. Okay, if we are gonna clear the values of the dictionary, we can simply like dict dot clear. So this will delete all the key value pairs of the dictionary and will change that dictionary to an empty dictionary. Okay, so let me just run it. See, So here it is printing an empty dictionary. All the contents of the dictionary are deleted. Now let me loop over the dictionary and copy a dictionary. Okay. So simple. So loop over a dictionary. Okay. So score for X in a dictionary 1. It means it's a, we are taking the keys of the dictionary. Okay. Let me print it. Okay. So it will print all the keys of this dictionary. Okay, so what keys we have for this dictionary? 0, 1, 2. Okay, so these are the key values. So those are to be printed. Let me just run it. So all the keys of the dictionary will be printed. So you can see like this is printing only the keys. Let me run this code once again. See, only keys are printed. If you want to print the values of the dictionary, you can do this way. Dictionary. See, the values are printed. If you want to specifically check what all the keys we have, okay, so there is a method, okay, inbuilt method through which you can check the keys of the map. So for that you can write the code like this: keys in dict1 dot keys print all the keys. So this is another way through the inbuilt method. So it is printing all the keys of the dictionary. If you want to print the values, so you can write the code like this: for value in one dot values values. So it will print all the values. See, Rafi, Tom, and Khalid are printed. So if you want to, there are another way of accessing the key value pair through the item. There is a inbuilt function items. Okay. So I'm gonna use the same key value in items. Whatever you want to print, you can print. Okay. Print. See. So this will print the key value pair. Okay. See, at 0 key position we have Rafi, at 1 we have Tom. Like this, the values are to be printed. So these are the few methods through which you can access the keys and the values. Okay, you can iterate over the loop, the key and values of the dictionary. Okay. Loop concept we have covered. Now we are going to cover the copy. So if you want to make a copy of the dictionary, the simple way is like there is a method of copy. Okay, so there is a tick. If you want to copy the content of the tick one, you can simply do like one dot copy, and if you can do the tick, so it will print the tick one because it's a copy of tick one, dictionary one. So you can see yes. So it is presented dictionary one contents. Okay, so another way of doing this is like equal to constructor you can do this. Okay, let me just comment this. Okay, so run it in debug mode. Let me run the code till this portion. Okay, so you can see only this dictionary will be printed, which is being copied. See, so these are the ways of copying a dictionary. Now nested dictionary. Okay, so this is the advanced concept. If you want to have a dictionary under dictionary. Okay, so what is the different ways of doing this? Okay, so let me just do this in a moment. So let's suppose we have dictionary 1, 2, 3. So like they have three dictionaries. Okay, so we have already explained like I have already explained you like dictionaries keys are to be unique while the values can be duplicated. Okay, and they are ordered, so it doesn't have the duplicate keys, but its values can be duplicated. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this dictionary to all these three dictionary to another dictionary. Okay, so I'm trying to create nested dictionary. Okay, so for that, let's suppose I have a final dictionary which is empty, and I'm also a temporary dictionary which is also empty. Okay, so let me just give me a moment. Let me maximize this. We are going to move over I in range of dictionary 1. Okay. Okay. So if it is 2, so this is 3, dictionary dot and so this is just content of template dictionary, and then I'm gonna clear the content of the dictionary, so next time it will have no contents. Okay, so it will add the fresh content. Okay, so let me just print the file. So this is the way, I mean, you can add a dictionary under dictionary. Okay, so there are various ways. I mean, this is just a simplest way to give you an idea how at runtime you can create a nested dictionary, a dictionary inside a dictionary. Let me just run this code in debug mode. Final, print final. Okay, so I'm gonna run it. Let me just check. Let me just check what is happening actually. I think. Okay. So give me what is hmm. Why it is not working? So let me use the dictionary constructor concept. Ideally, this should not happen. Let me run it. Type object is not subscriptable at all. Final SKU. Oh, sorry. Uh, yeah, this is the problem. Okay, this was not correct. Okay, so it was throwing an error. Hope you remember. Okay, so keep this in mind. Okay, this was the issue. Okay, actually inside a square bracket, I have to pass the value. Okay, but I was passing it again. I was giving a square bracket. Okay, so it was not taking the value, and that was the issue. Okay, so let me just run it now. It will work fine. So guys, when you are doing the programming, you will have all these issues. Okay, you have to be very careful. Okay, see, it is working. you will face again and again. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to check all these things carefully. Okay, whether you are using the angular bracket, curly bracket, or the square bracket. Okay, so now you can see inside a dictionary we have the another dictionary and it is printing. Okay, so this is the way of using. I mean, sometimes it is required because you have to create a dictionary for your code. Okay, so it depends on your need. Okay, but you have to have in mind how can you do this. Okay, so I was giving you some idea. I mean, if you require a dictionary of dictionary, how can you create it simply. Okay, so I think I have covered most of the yeah, all of the 5 points. So these are the points those we have to cover up today, and I have given you the idea how can we use the different dictionary concepts or Python dictionary concept in your in our programming. Okay. So thank you guys. If you have any question, you can comment in over the video. I will try to answer it. And please do like and subscribe my channel, Triple M Tech. Thank you guys for watching this video.